Regina Daniels' son, Muni Nwoko, rocks Burberry to mark 3 months on Earth as Regina Daniels shows off her body after child's birth. Welcome to Linda's TV show. If it is your first time of stopping by or coming across my YouTube channel, my dear good friend, you are highly welcome. Please, I beg you for a favor, smash on that red button that says subscribe. Beside the red button is a notification bell. The essence of the bell is for you to get notified when I upload a new video so that you will be the first person to check it out. My returning subscribers, I appreciate you. My fellow content creators, those who share, comment, watches my videos, may God Almighty bless you. So guys, today we are talking about our one and only Nollywood actress. She is very, very famous now. I tell you, if you search on any search engine, you will see Regina Daniels. So Regina Daniels happens to be Nigerian Nollywood actress that is very, very popular now. Maybe because she married somebody that is older than her. That is Ned Nwoko, her husband. They have been controversial ever since both of them got married, and about 3 months ago she gave birth to this handsome baby that you are seeing here. So this is a picture of her after birth. She really worked on herself. Honestly, I wish I can do like Regina Daniels. I wish I can just do this type of exercise. Can you see how flat her tummy is? You know, people don't like good things. So honestly speaking, human beings are unsatisfiable. There is nothing, absolutely nothing you can do to satisfy human being. If you do the right thing, they will talk. If you do the bad one, they will talk. So I think what is good now is for you to do what you think that is right to God and yourself and to the society. Then every other thing somebody is saying is none of your business, because you believe that what you are doing is good. So Regina Daniels, after giving birth, she normally, a woman, once you put to bed, you will be, you add a lot of weight. So because she is a figure and a celebrity, and she went for exercise. I don't know how she did it, but one thing I know is that I like the result I am seeing to reduce her body weight. So she posted this picture, that you are watching on her DM. If you read the comments of people there, hey God, I was like, what is this? Somebody wrote in that picture, the person said, it seems your billionaire's husband's money is finished. That is why you are dressing tattered like this. My dear viewers, you saw the clothes Regina Daniels was putting on earlier. What is wrong with that clothes? Does the clothes look tattered? Is anything wrong with that clothes? Well, I don't know what to say, because I keep on repeating all these things in all my videos. I don't know what is wrong with people. If you watch somebody's picture or video, you don't know what to contribute, please simply go. It's not a must that you will always comment on somebody's video. Sometimes I watch people's video. If the video is not interesting to me, I will just walk and pass instead of cursing or laying any type of insult to the person. Is not good. You guys know that Regina Daniels is just a young lady. She's just, I think, 18 or 19 years old. She's just starting her life. Please, people should take it easy on her. If there's anything you find out that she's not doing very well, simply, quietly write it in amicable and understanding way, not insulting the person. Africans are good at doing this. Before they will correct you, either they make a jest of you, or they disgrace you publicly, or they insult you. That is only when they will come and correct you. That is not good. The whites, they don't even talk to you about your mistake. Rather, they will do something similar to that. It's now left for you, if you have sense, you will correct yourself. But our African people, if you pronounce something wrong, they will say they will just repeat that thing you pronounced before they will pronounce the correct one in order to make gist of you. That is not good. If you want to correct somebody, correct the person in a mindful way, because that person have feelings. So please guys, you guys should take it on Regina. Regina is just, no matter all these things, she's just a young girl that is just growing up. As she's growing, she's learning. Some of the things she's doing, she's not really aware of the implication. Even if you tell Regina Daniels today that once she gets married to Ned Nwoko, that such story will come, people will keep on discussing about her. Up to this moment, she wouldn't believe it. And mind you guys, Regina Daniels is not the first young lady that got married to older man like that. It's just because Regina Daniels is popular, that is why her own is flying like a mosquito all over the internet. There are a lot of people, I have seen them in my village. Because they are not popular, nobody is talking about them. Just because Regina Daniels is popular, that is why people wouldn't allow her to rest. Who tells you that Ned Nwoko's money is finished? That is why Regina Daniels is dressing like that. Who tells you that Regina Daniels is planning to leave Ned 2 days ago? Because Regina Daniels just left the baby to the husband to go and get something, or maybe go for a stroll. People termed it that she abandoned her her son. I made the video anyway, but in form of reaction. So Regina Daniels herself should also mind the type of things she do, because I don't know, you see people sleeps in her DM, people sleeps in her house. Some of them are sleeping in her house to monitor her, to know every damn thing that she's doing. I think Regina Daniels should, mind the things she posts. Anyway, guys, what do you think about this video? Write your comment down below. Let's talk together and keep on watching Linda's TV show. Bye-bye. This is Linda's TV show. Welcome. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time or first day of coming across my YouTube channel or seeing my face, you are highly welcome. Please leave comments to my canal. My name is Linda Chukwueze. It's coming as Miguel. That red button that says subscribe, and you turn on the notification bell so that you'll be able to get information on notifications.
Bis zum nächsten Video und einen schönen Tag. Tschüss.
Tschüss. Bis man subscribe to Linda's TV show. What are you waiting for? Click on that red button that says subscribe. You turn on the notification bell so that you'll be getting more updates from me. Leave your comment down below and share this video with your friends, families, and colleagues until we meet again in my next video. Bye bye.